All things were to the good of them that are called according to his purpose. All things were to the good of them that are called, that are called, that are called. All things were to the good of them that are called according to his purpose. All things were to the good of them that are called, that are called, that are called. Hi there, Brainwash Dutch. Josh coming at you today. How you doing? So I am in Albany, Oregon, or Salem, Oregon, one of those two. I'm nearby Oregon. I'm in Oregon. I'm just lower Oregon. But yeah, for the past 3 days, I've been chilling out with some old friends of mine from way back in middle school. Jason Eddy and Jeremiah Wade. We chilled out for a while. I've noticed though that as I walk this path, that it gets easier. Like you have more faith. You're not so concerned about sleeping outside. You get what you need. And you walked up to people and you get to share what they want to hear, you get to share with them what they want to hear. You start parsing out what people are able to and willing to deal with, and it's cool because like I've been getting like fed like consistently for the past week, and I haven't asked for nothing. It's crazy. Like I had a person give me $20, and then another person give me $30. And then another person gave me $8, but then that turned into a whole pizza because I met some dude while I was eating, and he gave me a whole pizza. So I was like, well, that's crazy. So I got fed like crazy, and then I got another $20 today, and I'm just like, every day I'm getting fed. It's like bull. And plus, you know, I always have extra money too, so I can always buy extra stuff. But anyway. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm going down to Portland. Or I'm halfway through Oregon now. I'm heading to Portland, and I get to talk about some crazy stuff. You know, I get to share with people the word, and it's a lot of fun. So anyway, yeah, last night I slept near a river. That was kind of cold, but the days before that, I got to sleep on an air mattress inside of a house and some bedding. It was sweet. It was so cool. Anyway. So I'm the Heretic. You guys have a great day. You know I love God because I love virtue, justice, and salvation. You have a great day. I will talk at you later. Bye. What's up?